All right, now I'm on the bottom of page 235 in the Go Math textbook, going over, and once again you can see I got my trusty charts down here, my conversion charts to help me solve these problems. Okay, so number 6, it takes 41 gallons of water for washing machine to wash a load of laundry. How many quarts of water does it take to wash one load? So we're going gallons and quarts. So that information is right here. There's 4 quarts in every gallon. Okay. So we have 41 gallons. Our conversion rate is 1 gallon to 4 quarts. And we have 41 gallons. And how many quarts? So we got to multiply by 41 to get 41. Multiply the bottom by 41, and that's going to tell you how many quarts you have. Okay, so I'll let you go ahead and finish that math to get your answer there. Number 7, Sam squeezed 237 milliliters of juice from 4 oranges. How many liters of juice did Sam squeeze? So this is one of those classic problems where they gave us more information than we need. We don't care that it was 4 oranges. That has no bearing on the question that they asked us, which was how many liters. Well, they gave us milliliters, so we go to milliliters, and they want liters, so we got to go to liters. To get from milliliters to liters, I have to move to the left 1, 2, 3 places, and I have to move to the left. So I take that number they gave me, 237, and I move to the left 3 places, my decimal, 1, 2, 3. So my new number becomes 0.237 liters. And that can be written as 0.237, and that would be read as 237 thousandths of a liter. All right, number 8, a bottle contains 3.78 liters of water. Without calculating, determine whether there are more or less than 3.78 deciliters of water in the bottle. Explain your reasoning. Well, we can see down here, we're going from liters to deciliters. Liters are bigger because as you go down, these are getting bigger. Right? A kilometer is the biggest, a milliliter is the smallest. So as you go this way, you're getting smaller. So since the two numbers are exactly the same, we just have to look deciliters and liters. Deci and liters, the liters is larger. Okay. Number 9, Tanya has a 1 quart, a 2 quart, and a 3 quart bowl. A recipe asks for 16 ounces of milk. If Tanya is going to triple the recipe, what is the smallest bowl that will hold the milk? Okay, so triple, we need 16 times 3. Triple means 3 times. So 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So that would be 48 ounces. And we have quarts, so let's go down here, and we want to go from ounces all the way up to quarts. Okay, how are we going to do that? How are we going to get from ounces to quarts? Well, we have to go through a few different conversions. Okay, so 8 fluid ounces. 8 fluid ounces is 1 cup. So let's see how many cups we have. 48 ounces divided by 8 fluid ounces, and that's going to give us our cups. So that's 6 times. That works perfectly. So now we have 6 cups is how many pints? So there's 2 cups in each pint, and we have 6 cups. So we would have 3 pints. So now we're to pints. And then 2 pints equals 1 quart. So 2 pints, and we have, 2 pints, and we have 3 pints, and that gives us 1. Let me erase some of my work down here. You never erase your work. You just get more scratch paper. I have limited space here. So we add a decimal, add a 0, bring it down. 2 goes, and bring our decimal straight up. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So now we've gone from pints to quarts. And let's see. So 1.5 quarts, we can't use the 1 quart bowl. The 3 quart bowl would work, but it wants to know what's the smallest bowl. So the smallest bowl that will work is the 2 quart bowl, because 48 ounces is 1.5 quarts. Okay, I'm going to erase my work, but again, I never want you to erase your work. You have scratch paper, use as much as you want. Okay, and then finally down here we're comparing, seeing greater than or less than. I'm going to do 2, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. Okay, I'll do 1 customary and 1 metric. So number 10 is metric. We're dealing with liters. So they gave me liters first. I'll start at liters, that's fine. And then I'm going to kiloliters, excuse me. So I'm going from liters 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm moving to the left. So I take my number that they originally gave me, my original liters, and I move my decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that would leave me with 700. 700, and that would be now AL. So that is greater than 70. Okay. Let's do a customary unit of measure. Here we have gallons and quarts. So let's see, quarts and gallons. It's 4 to 1. 4 won't go into 30 evenly, so I'm going to change them both to quarts. So I just multiply. 1 gallon is 4 quarts, so 6 gallons would be 4 times that. So this would be 24 quarts, and 24 quarts is less than 30 quarts. All right, go ahead and do 12, 13, 14, and 15 on your own. And then raise your hand. Let me check what you've got, or if you have a question, you need help getting started on one of them, raise your hand for that as well. If you think you know what to do, go ahead and answer them, and then just double check with me and see if you've got them correct. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.